Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. New U.S. pilot program may require tourists and business visitors to post a visa bond of $5,000, $15,000. The U.S. Department of State has instituted a 12-month pilot program effective August 20, 2025, and running through August 5, 2026. Aimed at reducing visa overstays by requiring certain B1/B2 visa applicants to post a refundable bond ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 at the discretion of the consular officer. Scope and applicability. This pilot applies exclusively to B1 business and B2 tourists visa applicants and does not extend to visas under F, M, J, H, O categories or participants in the Visa Waiver Program, ESTA. Nations eligible for inclusion are determined based on factors such as elevated overstay rates, inadequate vetting systems, or citizenship by investment programs lacking residency requirements. Initially, Malawi and Zambia are designated under the pilot, but the Department of State reserves the right to add additional countries with at least 15 days' notice. Bond mechanics. During the visa interview, a consular officer may determine that a bond is required. Applicants must thereafter submit Department of Homeland Security Form I-352 via pay.gov to effect payment. Amounts are flexible: $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000, reflecting the officer's assessment of overstay risk. Paying without direction from a consular officer does not obligate the U.S. government to issue a visa or refund the funds. The bond is refundable if the visa holder complies fully with visa terms, including timely departure or approved departure procedures. Non-compliance, including unauthorized stay extensions, changes in status, or overstays, may result in forfeiture of the bond. Travel restrictions and validity. Visas issued under the pilot will be single entry, valid only for 3 months from issuance. Entry and exit must occur at one of 3 designated airports: Boston Logan International, BOS, John F. Kennedy International, JFK, or Washington Dulles International, IAD. Upon admission, Customs and Border Protection, CBP, may limit the stay to a maximum of 30 days. Purpose and implications. The pilot is characterized as a diplomatic tool, encouraging foreign governments to enhance exit compliance and screening systems. Overstay data are drawn from the DHS Fiscal Year 2023 Overstay Report, excluding Canada, Mexico, and Visa Waiver Program countries, though narrowly scoped initially, with estimates suggesting possibly 2,000 travelers affected and $20 million in posted bonds. The program may expand, and the upfront bond cost could pose logistical and financial challenges for families or business travelers. Key takeaways for counsel and applicants. Advise clients to anticipate potential bond requirements if they are nationals of Malawi or Zambia, and possibly other countries with high overstay rates. Prepare for added processing time and financial outlay during the visa process. Ensure clients understand the conditional and refundable nature of the bond. Full compliance is essential for refund. Plan travel through approved ports, BOS, JFK, IAT, and structure business itineraries around a 30-day stay limit. Monitor the Department of State for updates on additional countries and procedural guidance to adapt swiftly.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.